Reverend Gackenheimer, we've been talking about Silver Lake and what the digital time has been in the era of COVID. Tell us a little more about Silver Lake and maybe what's coming up on the horizon for you all.
Yeah, we've talked a lot about summer 2020 when we evolved and didn't get to meet in person, but summer 2021 is exciting because we'll be able to gather again at Silver Lake. We have made some significant changes in structure. We've gone to 2-week sessions so that campers are here for a longer time, and we have an incredible community of volunteers that unfortunately won't be joining us this summer, so we have less folks coming in and out, so that the staff will be here the whole summer, putting extensive safety protocol in place to keep our campers and our staff COVID safe. But to also do that incredibly profound work of being in community together. And part of the joy of this summer is we get 2 weeks to do that instead of 1 week at a time. So lots of time to dig into really getting to be campers in the experience of encountering God's love and creation. And one of the unique shifts that we're doing this spring is, rather than welcoming church groups and retreat groups from schools and things, we're welcoming family groups to rent our retreat buildings and come and have some time away on their own to really just step away as a family and to dig into their faith if they want to, but a chance to get outside and walk the trails and watch the sunset on the lake and sit around the fire and connect as a family away in a new setting, as we've talked about the importance of changing your setting to find your ground.
Yeah.